trading for income or capital growth? Hi, it's Charlie giving you Wednesday's video. It's just a chat that we've just been having in the trading room here about what you're looking for, what you're looking to do with your trading. And so we did a poll, and I would be interested to know what your views are, what you're looking to do as far as trading for. Are you trading for income or are you trading for capital growth? Okay. Um, Now, you might say, well, look, you're trading for both. Okay. So you might be trading for both income and capital growth. Okay. That's absolutely fine. But you need to have enough money in order to do that. So, because let's just say you want to create an income. I mean, it's going to be so varied, but let's say you wanted to create an income of, let's say, £30,000. I'll do it in sterling terms, £30,000 a year, but you also want capital growth as well. So if you wanted £30,000 worth of income and let's say some capital growth as well, so the minimum you're really going to want to be trading with is, let's say, 100,000 in order to create, and that's assuming, let's say you do 50% a year in gains. So you do 50% in a year on 100,000. That would give you 30,000 for income and 20,000 for capital growth. Now that all sounds very nice, doesn't it? But again, and that's more than achievable. But you're not probably going to do 50% every single year. So there'll be some years which might do that, maybe a bit more than that. You might do 80%, but you also might do 20%, so, or have a flat year or whatever. So these things are going to happen. So my point is, if you're trying to trade for both, then your capital growth is that's going to take time. That's going to be slower. That's going to be slower to get the capital growth to where you want it. So if you're looking for, my point is, if you're looking for capital growth, try to take as little out of your, it's quite a simple answer really, try and take as little out of your account as you possibly can, because the more that you're taking out, then the slower it's going to be to get that capital growth to where you want it to be. Okay, that's the general rule. And so try and take as little out. If you want to take some money out, then I would say for an income, get a job. Yeah, get a job as an income, because that's static and it's a more of a guaranteed type income. So get a job, have another source of income, have a business, whatever it might be, so that you can focus on your trading to spend more time in this pot over here, so that you're trying to grow your capital over here. And then at some point in the future, once you've got, we were talking earlier on, some of our traders were talking about 200,000 plus 200 to 500,000. So when you've got 200 to 500,000, and you're looking to make 30,000 or 50,000 out of it, then you've got a really nice size there to be able to do that and still increase the account in a meaningful manner. So, but it takes time to get to 200,000 or 500,000 in a pot. So, in the meantime, focus on, if you can. Lots of people get into trading thinking they want to make an income from it, but then they're not thinking, well, if you're stripping out income and you might have a given amount in an account, is it likely you're going to be able to strip income out of it and grow it? Well, again, if you've got very low outgoings, then yes, your income needs might be quite low, but it's still going to slow down that capital growth. So the best way you can do it is have a job, a business, or other sources of income, so that you're not having to draw any income from your trading, and you can focus on capital growth. Always welcome your comments or suggestions in here of anything that you may have done, or whatever in relation to any of these sorts of subjects. So by all means, please post comments below. And as always, if you like these videos, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe so that you get notifications when the next videos are released. Take care for now. See you probably Friday or Saturday for Friday's live trading.